Hey, this is Dave Crenshaw. I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, where I'm going to be speaking to Camden Living. I'm going to go through a workshop with them about the myth of multitasking. And if you're not familiar with what I teach in the myth of multitasking or in my time management courses, it's really simple. We lose so much of our day to switches in attention, where we're focused on one thing and then something else pulls our attention away. We lose roughly one work week out of every single month due to switches in attention. So I'm going to teach them some switchbusters, some way to reduce the amount of attention switches that happen in their day. I'm going to share one of them with you right now, and it deals with the biggest problem that everyone experiences when it comes to switches, or almost everyone, and that's email. Email constantly jumping up on our screen, constantly telling us you just got a new message, you need to check it. There have been studies about compulsive email checking, and it's compared to compulsive gambling. It's the same mechanic in place. It's variable response reward. We don't know whether or not we're going to hit the jackpot the next time we check our email. And so it compels us to continually check, constantly. Not just a few times a day. I'm talking about hundreds, thousands of times per day that you're in and out of your email inbox. So here are a couple of switchbusters for you. Number one, have a set time to check your email. It may be 3 times per day, and if that's not enough, heck, every hour on the hour. Even if you checked your email 8 times per day or 9 times per day, that's a drastic reduction in the number of switches that takes place as compared to the average individual who's constantly jumping in and out of their email inbox. So you have a set time for checking your email, and you schedule that into your day so that you know that you can count on it and you know that you can wait. Now, during checking, it's not our job to respond or answer to every email. We're just asking one question: can this wait until my processing time? And that leads to the second switchbuster, which is processing. That's where you have a set time in your week, perhaps a few hours on Monday, a few hours on Friday, or perhaps it's one day devoted to it, 5 hours, roughly 5 hours a week is what you need for processing. And during that time, you're bringing everything to zero. You want to bring that email inbox to zero. That means completely empty. I'm not talking about read versus unread. I'm talking about zeroed out, so you see that little happy face that tells you your work is done. And that needs to happen once per week. You want to have a processing time to do that. So we've got 2 layers: checking to make sure we're not falling behind on anything important, and then processing to clear everything out and zero things out so that we know that no matter how important something is, we've dealt with it. So that's what I'm going to share with them today. And if you're interested in having me speak to your group, you can go to davecrenshaw.com/speaker, see a demo video, learn the various topics that I cover. Thanks for watching.